Neural networks does not literally think like a human brain. Yes, we agree on that. What exactly is it? What is neural networks? Welcome back to AI Explained Simply series, where we are breaking down AI terms everyone should understand in 2026. Today, let's simplify what is neural networks. A neural network is a system that helps AI learn patterns from data. And how does it learn those patterns? With a lot of inputs. Think of it as information moving through three main phases. The first phase is the input, the second phase is the process behind what we don't see, and the next is the output. The input layer receives information such that an image or a text or a number behind there is processed. That information then moves through hidden layers. You can't see what I'm doing right now. And that is the neural networks. Looks for the patterns. Finally, the output layer gives you a prediction or the answer. But how does it learn? How do we make sure that it gives us the correct answer? During the training, inside there, the neural networks make many predictions. Some are wrong. It checks that prediction against the correct answer because you have given it many learnings. If it's wrong, it will adjust itself slightly and tries again and tries again. Neural networks can try even millions and millions of times to give you the correct answer. This happens repeatedly until its predictions become better. We have seen AI developing now, making videos like real. That's why we say neural networks learns from data. But remember, it's not thinking like a human. Yes, it is not thinking like human. It's using mathematics to recognize patterns. Whatever is hidden behind there is a lot of mathematics going on. And when we connect many layers behind there together, we get what we discussed last time in the last episode, that is deep learning, where you have deep learning, machine learning, then AI to its entirety. Neural networks are also behind many technologies we use today, because we have seen image recognition, we have seen AI robots speaking Luganda, generative AI, and that's exactly where we are going next. In our next episode, we will explain generative AI. How can AI actually create text? How does it create images? How does it create videos and even music? Follow Subtech Online for the next AI concept explained simply. Leave a comment, give us a like. Bye. Meet you in the next video.